Alright, it's day 35 sa ato ang Azola Gapi and Chicken Backyard Farming. So today I'm going to update you again for our day 35, and still our guppies here are still very small. Dili kayo dako atong gapi diri. So we're going to still observe them and how to feed them properly to make them grow bigger. And here we don't have any fishes here. I just transfer to our other container or tank. So hopefully if we have another guppy that release some fries, we're going to move them here. And here are two electric blue Moscow, still very small. So nagko ita to sa ubanahan. Okay, they're much greener now, but still our Azola are dead. They're dying, but here still pale. But we still have our fishes here, the guppies, and yet they're still alive and they're looking for food, but they already eat because we fed them early this morning. And here still have our two guppies here, and here also we'll still continue observing them. The one Azola that we put here, it didn't multiply, still very few of them. And I noticed that I think it's duckweed, still duckweed here. And here are gold guppies, and look at them, our swordtails, mollies, and some of our chops guppy. Then our baby guppies or fries from our black guppies. So we put them here, and we still see some baby guppies also here. They're much bigger now, and we're going to move them into other tanks so they can grow much bigger. And then our grays, our hen is a Gilmore that we closest from a gray, so our chicks are probably grays. So ang atong mapiso is gray, so mga green sila. Pati lang naong is nahugaw kay nagkaon sila og mangga, overripe mango. Our Azola, some duckweeds, but here majority in this tub is Azola. And also here are guppies. They're quickly become much healthier. Also our panda. But here are chicks. Nagluya ang atong mga piso diri kay ipangtog na, although we already put some something, water, and medicine for the vitamins. Our chops here are still alive, and we're going to remove these. Onion, garlic. Maybe I'm going to put our baby guppies here, the black ones, and our electric blue nose ko. So let's proceed to our some. So they're feeling cold, and we're going to change their cartoon here, cardboard. Okay. Importante yung rice hull para mainit na yung lawas, kaya yung rice hull is init man siya, but need ginato limpyuhan siya always, kay ang ilang iti is magpundo, sometimes makaampan nila, so need ginato na limpyuhan gid always. Tugno sila. So dire ang atong mga kuan, tuxedo guppies. So far kadi sila ang pinaka-alive sa atong mga guppies. Maybe because sa ilahang environment, or sa ilang tub or ilahang pond, kay dako ang ilang space to roam around mo, siguro nga kuan healthy sila, much healthier than some of our guppies. So there are some pregnant guppies here. I do hope that it will release some fries soon, so we can transfer them, and still we're going to observe. So ato makita na ay mga tuxedo nga walay red mark sa ilang ulo. So kana anong paningkamutan nga ang ilang fries pang kita na to tong pula ra gid ang ulo, so i-transfer nato tong mga kuan, mga walay kuan pulang ulo. So mo to mga rejects, mag-selection ta, kaya ang tuxedo gyud is usually naag sila pula sa ilang ulo, same sa laki o sa mga bay, some of the female naay pula but dili kay klaro. So muna ang mga kuan differences kinila. So kanang mga walay pula, kana sila is mga reject na sila. Gipakapin lang natong nagbayta og kapi sa to ang suki. Gibalhin ang puti. Suki buyog. Then here are the remaining chicks. I think they are all males. I think so. Pero kanang gamay murag bae nang gamay. I think na daw, pero bae day. Atong buyog, ay atong kanawayon nga bae, anak atong na episode dito. So muna to mga kuan, mga bae. So hopefully maulian na ning laki dire, kay galuya gyud siya. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like, follow, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep posting these videos in my YouTube channel. So keep following, guys. If you have any suggestions, you can comment down below. So I hope you all have a great day, everyone, and God bless. Bye bye.